Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to add a story on Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to add a story on Snapchat allows you to share moments from your day with your friends and followers in a fun way. And adding a story enables you to share photos and videos that disappear after 24 hours, giving your audience a glimpse into your life and experiences. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat application. Well, so now you can take a picture or take a video, or you can also add a photo or video from your gallery here. Then, if you need to add a personal touch to your picture or video, you can edit it manually here. Okay, after that, click Story here to upload it. Okay, and then do it to see it. Click this tab, and you can see your story here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a story on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.